Hi folks, I thought it was time for another Meet the Team video. However, this one today a little bit different because what we have for you today are these guys. This is a giant African millipede. It is actually the largest species of millipede on the planet. This one's not massively fully grown yet. They could potentially get to just over 30 centimeters in length. Now I think these are fascinating creatures. They are very, very, very important to the ecosystem. Millipedes in general are very important because what they do is they break down old plant matter, decaying matter, and turn it back into nutritious soil. So they do a very important job to keep our biohabitats alive and everything running correctly. Now themselves, they're quite fascinating creatures as well, because, believe it or not, there is a symbiotic relationship going on there. We actually basically have three organisms all going on. Well, one is more than one, but bear with me. So we have the millipede itself that breaks down decaying plant matter and in some cases decaying animal matter as well. We also have internally, we have a gut flora, which is made up of lots of different bacteria and protozoa. Now, it has recently been discovered that the millipede can survive for a while without it. It was thought that once the gut flora died, then the millipede would die itself. Now, they can actually live for a while afterwards. However, the actual function of the millipede diminishes significantly and it struggles for the rest of its life. So they rely on this gut flora to be able to break down all the things that they ingest. Now, also as well, I was trying to look for some of them, but I can't actually see any at the moment. They have mites usually found on their body. Now I know they have them and they're usually running around in there as well. And what the mites do is they help to keep the millipede clean in between the plates. So this is an exoskeleton, the same as on other insects and arachnids. And they will molt in the same sort of way. They will shed their exoskeleton. And what these little tiny mites do, there is one was running around there, is they keep these plates clean in between, so there's no infection or no build-up of rubbish or muck. And they can survive and carry on doing what they do, crawling around in all the mud and the undergrowth everywhere else. So there is a symbiotic relationship going on in there that is very important for both the millipede, the mite, and the gut flora as well. But they are pretty cool. Now they have quite a unique, defense mechanism. Because what they do, if they feel threatened, through tiny little holes down their body, they actually secrete something out called hydrocyanic acid. Now, some of you might already know what that is. Basically, it's cyanide. Now, it's not strong enough to kill us, because that's what cyanide is. It's pure poison to us, guys. But what it does, it will basically burn the inside of the mouth of whatever has just tried to eat it, so it will just get spat straight back out again. Now, funny story. Me being me and a bit daft, what I decided to do one day, after I'd been handling one of these, I saw a yellow kind of stain all over my fingers. So obviously this millipede had got a bit agitated and released this hydrocyanic acid all over my fingers. It looks like a smoker's stain, if anybody knows what that is. Now, me being me, I thought, wonder if it's as bad as what everybody says, so I smelt it. Trust me, I will never be doing it again because it burnt all the inside of my nostrils. And it's probably why today my sense of smell is absolutely horrendous. But yeah, these were one of the first types of exotic pets that I ever kept. They are amazing creatures. But there you go. This is your giant black millipede. Okay, folks, take care. We'll see you all again soon.